Alright, well, since I didn't fucking record it the first time, let's try this again. So, my cable snapped. I took it out. So, yeah, it's pretty simple. You know, you got this plate that sits here. Then you got this one that sits here. You're gonna pull this screw. This piece is gonna pop off. Then you got the two screws that sit here. Then this pops off. Then you go ahead and just, you know, just like that, and pull this. Undo that screw right there, or the Allen right there, which is, you know, holds your cable in. Then, you know, you're gonna run your new cable through these two holes right here. Yeah. Okay. So that's in. Okay. I haven't tightened it down yet, so for adjustment reasons. So you want this to be your line right there. So that's your straight rudder. Okay. Now we're back to this point. Okay. As you saw, these didn't work. Cutting shit. So I got my nice little trusty 40-year-old, 50 fucking year old fucking needle nose with a cutter, and that actually worked. So now what we're gonna do, and now that our cables are ran through, okay, got a little hole with the Allen as well. It's a 3/32. Okay, make sure it's always facing out. So run that back through. God damn it. Okay, what did I do with you? Where did you go? Oh no. Well, that's fucking lame. I just lost my Allen. I'm always losing shit. So let me search for it for fucking like a couple days, and then I'll be back. Never mind, that took about 10 seconds, if that. It was still inside the fucking thing. Yep, I'm a genius. Let's go on to there. Okay. So that's tight over there. This is in the center. So let's go ahead and just tighten this bitch down. Make sure it's nice and center. Come on, get in there. right, that'll work. Okay, so nice and straight. So let's put these stupid little washers back in that spot. Let's place this right on top. Not really which way it's supposed to go, but it doesn't really matter. Alrighty. Pop these in. Just a little loose for at the moment. Just a little bit. You don't want them too crazy tight. Okay. Now let's just set this in here. Let's disconnect this. Let's see what type of motion we have. Oh, that is nice. Whee! Okay, watch. Okay. That is so much smoother. I would actually stick with the this size that we got right here is the 275 pound, which is the 1.2 millimeter. I would stick with that. That feels really good. All right, so let's tighten this down. All right, now the more you tighten it, see, the stiffer it's gonna be. So I have to go crank on it a little bit, then back. Oh yeah, that's really good. Alrighty, so there it is. There's your cable replacement on your Pescador Pilot 12. You know, it only took maybe about, if I didn't keep losing my shit or had to look for a pair of pliers, it would maybe take like maybe 5 minutes to fix this shit. But there it is. Alrighty, all done. Goodbye. Have fun. Enjoy.